Coach, musta mo naman? First game at PBA.
Hirap pala mag-coach sa PBA. Yeah. So hard. I mean, lot more adjustments to go. I know we fell short, but I think may little changes that I think you saw naman. May konting pagbabago, but we need more of that. And natapat pa tayo dun sa shooting woes namin. Parang 2 out of 25 yata. 22. Diba? Parang sobra. So we try to get back. I think they're getting it. Hopefully, they get used to it. All the shoutings that I've been doing and everything. So hopefully we'll do more next time.
Pero nga coach, despite falling short, gave the defending champions definitely a tough fight lalo nung dulo. Nasabi nila.
Yeah. We give credit to Coach Chapman. I think he did a great job today, especially on how to get the mismatches and all those misdirections that he made. We need to be on top of that all the time. It's just that we try to duplicate what they're doing, but sometimes we felt that we were stopping. So I guess gotta learn more. Gotta teach them more.
Coach, ito Ralph, natapat lang ba na kaya mo ginamit na yung maganda nilaro or this is part of your plan?
That's the part of the plan. I think it's not just a marching order from Boss Joe that you use your picks, but it's about time that that we use all the top picks that we have and expose them to what we need, the team needed. So I think that would be always on that line. We're gonna make sure that everybody gets to have that sabihin natin playing time.
Coach, mukhang hindi nag-change yung style of coaching mo in terms of yung nangalit ka sa players dito sa Blackout.
I think I don't know if I'm gonna change for what, but the thing is, I just need them to know how I feel about the game, and as I've told them before, I'm gonna work, and you're gonna work, and I'm a winner. We should be winners.
Coach, yung pag-buy-in nila sa'yo, siyempre, might be yung time theory, but after 2 days, you think may ganun ng
Well, we just keep it simple lang yung mga adjustment. Not that's yung parang we'll do it gradually. It's not the talagang super change lahat. We know that we could do more. We could exploit our import, Rob, but sometimes it's really hard for him to siguro apply yung ginagawa pa namin. Siguro hindi pa siya sanay. So hopefully we can do that more in the following games. Okay na?